How to reduce or eliminate anti-nutritionals in peas at home. Several methods can be used to reduce or eliminate anti-nutritional factors in peas, including soaking, cooking, fermentation and genetic engineering. We shall now examine each method. 1. Soaking. Soaking peas in water for several hours or overnight can help to reduce the levels of phytic acid and other anti-nutritional factors. Soaking the peas in water overnight can help to leach out some of the oligosaccharides and reduce their levels. 2. Sprouting. Sprouting involves soaking and germinating the peas, which can break down oligosaccharides and other anti-nutritional factors. Sprouting peas can help to reduce the levels of anti-nutritional factors by activating enzymes that break down these compounds. 3. Fermentation. Fermenting peas can also help to reduce the levels of anti-nutritional factors by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria that break down these compounds. Fermenting the peas with lactic acid bacteria can break down oligosaccharides and improve their digestibility. 4. Cooking. Cooking peas can help to reduce the levels of anti-nutritional factors, including lectins, protease inhibitors, and tannins. 5. Blanching. Blanching involves briefly immersing the peas in boiling water and then cooling them rapidly in ice water. This process can reduce the activity of enzymes that break down oligosaccharides. 6. Roasting. Roasting peas can also help to reduce the levels of anti-nutritional factors by breaking down these compounds through the application of heat. 7. Genetic modification. Some research has focused on breeding pea varieties with lower levels of oligosaccharides, although this method is still in the experimental stage. It's important to note that while these methods can help to reduce the levels of anti-nutritional factors in peas, they may also reduce the overall nutrient content of the peas. Therefore, it's important to balance the benefits and drawbacks of each method and choose the most appropriate method based on individual needs and preferences. At Synonym Biotech, we understand legumes in general and peas in particular. If you wish to formulate with peas, talk to us. We shall help you on the formulation and validation strategies to deliver a nutritionally compliant and wholesome pet food diet.